still gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Dr. Ross and I are currently in California, meeting with some execs next to the Six Flags, California.
Exactly. We're right here with our managers, just having a little bit of something to eat, as you can see right now.
Goodbye, nigga.
Dr. Ross and I will be traveling to Beverly Hills tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. We'll keep you posted.
But when we go there, we don't want to see no little babies or the babies out there, you know. So we're gonna go see some celebrities, hopefully.
And to everyone out there, we're trying to get onto the Bold and the Beautiful.
Exactly. All the TV shows that you guys have in mind, just send it to us if you guys know how to. The Bold and the Beautiful, the Tired and the Restless, the All My Children, whatever you have out there,
They're going
send it to Black King Sebastian and I.
That's right. Dr. Ross and I are available. But for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll see you in Beverly Hills.
But before we close it off, we do want to say that Black King Sebastian and I do have a huge list of stuff, though. We do so many things on the daily basis, so even if you do send us something, maybe it'll take a little bit for us to respond, because we have multiple acting jobs, you know, our clothing line, our hair products, everything, the whole list. But, you know, this is Rose and Gold, so close it off, Black King Sebastian.
We'll catch you on the next installment. Out. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and Gold.